Not everyone you love will stay. Not everyone you trust will be loyal. Understand that you are owed nothing. Everything that surrounds you is temporary. Only the love in your heart lasts forever. Don't overthink. Let it go. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. The biggest communication mistake is we do not listen to understand, we listen to reply. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. When you wish good for other, good things come to you. This is law of nature. Don't quit. Miracles happen every day. So never stop believing. Always wrong person teach the right lesson of life. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. When you start looking at people's heart instead of their face, life becomes clear. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. Never show your weakness to the world because world is much interested to play with it. Whatever comes, let it come. What says, let it stay. What goes, let go. There is no enemy outside our soul. The real enemies live inside us: anger, ego, greed, and hate. No one stays with you permanently. So, learn to survive alone. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. Remember that a car is not a symbol of success, and walking doesn't mean poverty. Be the same person, privately, publicly, and personally. You are rich when you are content and happy with what you have. Money is the worst discovery of human life, but it is the most trusted material to test human nature. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. If you realize how powerful your thoughts are, you'd never think a negative thought. Your life only gets better when you do. Works on yourself and the rest will follow. Kill tension before tension kills you. Live life before life leaves you. If you don't love yourself, you cannot love others. Speak well of others, not of their faults. Dream big, stay positive, work hard, and enjoy the journey. Never be controlled by their things, your past money, people. Move in silence, never let them know your next move. Never give up. Great things take time. Sometimes you have to just let go and see what happens. If you want to be strong, learn to be alone. Train your mind to be calm in every situation. Life is too short to argue and fight. Count your blessings and be happy. Ego never accepts the truth. Sometimes it's better to remain silent and smile. Do not let behavior of other destroy your inner peace. Prove yourself to yourself, not others. Let go of control. You will feel instant relief. When we are stop talking risks, we stop living life.